this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2015 Kia Rio S Hatch, stock reference number 5840. This shape runs from the 8th month 2011 through to the 11th month 2016. It has a G4FA 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. G4FA 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the right-hand headlight. Left front 15-inch steel rim with an average tyre. Left power door mirror. Left rear door has no damage. Left rear 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Left tail light, left tailgate garnish, tidy rear bumper cover, non-park sensor type. Tailgate has no damage, right hand tailgate garnish, right hand tail light. Right rear door has one small dent, right front door has no damage, right guard has no damage, right power door mirror, and a right front 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior, automatic tow console, automatic gear shifter, heater control, single stack CD player, interior mirror, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.